Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BV6600E, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So let's first launch the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to change the ringtone volume you should slide to the left or to the right side with your finger. That's wide out by this way. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button here on the right side of your device, and after that click here on the three dots. Now just you can see here there's ringtone volume panel again, and by the same way just swipe to the left or to the right side, there is blue dots. After that just click here to done to save all the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.